Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you topic double fertilization from the chapter How do organisms reproduce. This is a structure of typical flower which consists many parts like sepals, green leaves, petals, colored leaves, stamens and ovary. This is the structure of ovary which bears ovules inside it, and ovule is converted into seed after fertilization and ovary is converted into fruit. This is the structure of ovule. Inside ovule is also called embryo sac. Inside it there is a female gamete which is called egg cell. I will explain this structure very briefly. Like in this structure, this is a structure of central cell. The central cell is divided into two parts, by the division of mitosis. Here the central part is divided into two cells. Central cell is divided into two cells which having two nucleus, and after that these two nucleus and which bear central cell then divide through mitosis into four cells. Then after that this four celled stage again divided by mitosis into 8-celled stage. At this stage, embryo sac is said to be 8-celled 7-nucleus stage, and after that these 8 cells rearrange and 3 cells goes to the upward direction and becomes antipodal cell, and 2 cells at the center position becomes polar nuclei, and at the downward position there are 3 cells. 2 cells at the margin is called synergid cell, and the 1 cell at the center position towards downward is called egg cell. This is the main cell which fuse with pollen grain during the process of fertilization. Now this is the structure of stamen, and stamen bears anther which is brown in color and a filament like a thread like structure which you have seen. This filament structure is called anther and filament. So stamen consists anther and filament. Inside this stamen, anther bears pollen grains. These pollen grains having two male gamete, two kinds of cells, vegetative and generative, and these two male gamete fertilize with egg cell. So now during the process of pollination, these pollen grains transfer to the stigma of the carpel of flower, and these pollen grain consist two male gamete as I said earlier. Then these gametes fuse with egg cell one by one. Now first male gamete fuse with egg cell and it goes to the egg cell through a tube-like structure which is called pollen tube. This is called pollen tube, which emerge out from the pollen grain. And here you can see that the pollen grain emerges pollen tube which help in the process of fertilization and transfer the male gamete to the egg cell. Here you can see the pollen tube grow steadily and reaches up to the egg cell, and first male gamete fuse with egg cell and to form zygote, and the synergid cells help to give direction to the pollen tube. After that, the second male gamete fuse with